Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you that how to get dark mode on Snapchat. So I'm not gonna show you that you have to complain or report or email something to Snapchat. I'm gonna directly show you that how to get dark mode on Snapchat, the easiest way. So what you need to do is first open up your Snapchat account right there. Then you have to click on the settings option top right corner like that. Then you have to scroll down. Okay, please make sure you watch the full video to get the dark mode on your Snapchat account. Okay, then what you need to do is click on app appearance like that. Then this will be selected like always light. Okay, you have to click on the always dark mode like that. After that you have to click on the restart now option like that. Okay, so then you have to click on the profile, go to the profile again. So here you can see my app will change the dark mode. So this is how you can get dark mode on your Snapchat account. This is the easiest way. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.